Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we give you some nice, lovely, homemade, fresh grilled pork. So hopefully you enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave the comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you. Remember, you can get the book on Amazon, 50% off. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So guys, look at this beautiful pork right here. This is the lean chops pork right here, the steak part of the pork. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some grilled pork today, and I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. But before we do anything else, we need to just get it marinated like this. We're gonna put on some coarse pepper, and also this is some pork season. Nice one. And some paprika. Teaspoon of paprika. And a teaspoon of the pork season. This one is some everyday season, guys. Really good. Just half teaspoon of it. Not too much. Basically I have some garlic and coriander. Really good. 1 teaspoon of that one, and that's it. We don't need to put no whole heap of season on it. If you marinate it from the day before, I want to say basically you can put some more season on it, like some garlic and some white onion. But I'm just marinating and I'm just gonna cook it now. That's why I'm doing it this kind of way. So basically, as you can see, I'm gonna pop some vegetable oil on it like this, roughly about 2 tablespoons of oil, because it is gonna be grilled. Alright, so after you do that, guys, so basically just simply put on the gloves and just rub it up like this. Then after we do this, this is what's gonna happen next. I want to get the flavor in the pork. It's good to do this from the day before, but this is just emergency, and we are doing it right away. Alright, nice and lovely. So now this is finished. Alright, next step. Nice and lovely. So right here I have on the grill pan right here about almost 20 minutes now. So on a medium size heat, pretty bit hot. So we're gonna grill it like this. No oil needed in it because we already have oil on there. And the pork already. You can smell that nice, lovely scent coming from it. So once you get that lovely mark in it, go over to the other side. To the other side. To the other side like this. To the other side. Nice and lovely. What you're looking for, that lovely color. So now, I always say this one is finished. Let's check out this one. I'm gonna finish them off in the oven for a nice good 20 minutes. So preheat the oven like now. Nice and lovely. Another 2-piece. So yeah, what we're gonna do. finished. Grilled pork. Nice. I'm telling you guys. Alright. Basically, this is what happened right here. And now we're gonna put them straight inside of the oven for 20 minutes. Gas mark 7 or 8 is good for it. If you use a different kind of oven, at 165 or 175 is good for 20 to 25 minutes inside of the oven. Guys, enjoy the recipes, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Grilled pork. Nice and lovely. Look at the pork, guys. I just take it from the oven and may I tell you, it's fantastic. Grilled pork. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. Brilliant recipe, as I can see it. The jerk. This is the lovely grilled pork. Really nice and beautiful. Grill. Roughly 10 minutes on both sides. And finish it off in the oven for 20 minutes. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye. Just share it out. Look at that. Beautiful and nice with even some jerk vegetable rice to the side of it. The full recipe up on the YouTube channel. And hopefully guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Bye bye.